Dongguan XinHua Intelligent Manufacturing Company Limited was established in 2010 and was located in Dongguan City, Guangdong Province. The factory covers an area of 19,909 square meters and more than 139 employees, including a 36-person R&D team. It has obtained ISO 9001 Quality System Certification, 16946 certification, and more than 60 other patents certificates. XinHua has been deeply engaged in the research and development and production of intelligent equipment. We focus on providing high-quality glue filling machines, automatic glue filling machines, AB glue filling machines, vacuum glue filling machines, automatic screw locking machines, and visual dispensing machines for the global industries of new energy, semiconductors, power supplies, communications, electronic devices, home appliances, 3C digital, automobiles, lighting, etc. In addition to the excellent performance of the product itself, we also focus on providing customers with comprehensive services. We have a professional customer service team and technical support team to provide customers with pre-sales consultation, in-sales training, and after-sales service to ensure that customers can make full use of our equipment to achieve production goals. XinHua Intelligence products and services have been exported to Germany, Japan, Europe, America, Southeast Asia, and other countries, and have been working with global partners to promote the development of the intelligent equipment industry. We are committed to becoming a well-known brand in the international market and providing high-quality intelligent equipment solutions for global customers.